Welcome back to As in the Heart on top of the Senior Brother television station when they inside the Bolo the world Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And this now the Ogbonge democracy when they on top of television. They talk them as the team be for body. Today we don't carry all the action to recon drop. First we start with the visit of Oga Godswill Akpabio, former governor of Akwa Ibom State and serving senator and minority leader. As in carry waka to go answer some kind questions when concern how he take spend money when he be governor of Akwa Ibom State. We talk about the attack of Boko Haram Jaguda people for inside Adamawa State and the good work when our army people they do to stop the attack for my Malari cantonment when they inside Borno State for Maiduguri. We can also talk of the official statement of the PDP where they talk say the way when the APC government they go about prosecution say now bad things now they do because they leave those when they supposed they pursue people when they say no do anything at all. We can also talk of the governor of Borno State, Kasim Shettima, when carry visit enter one place inside the state when they come block and say they get water crisis. Say this water when they suffer, join the Boko Haram Jaguda things when they get to deal with, say a very, very serious issue. We can't top them up with the Nigerian Medical Association when draw here give the governor of Osun State, say after 7 days, if the workers no collect their salary, say they go embark on indefinite strike. Why you they do like say you no balance? Next time you come out your shoe, threaten me with shoe. Next time you threaten me with shoe, you don't they do like say your leg they heavy you. You will finish this show with one leg. You will finish this show with one leg. In short, in fact, I go even place ban on you wearing shoe come on top of this shoe. Because like the shoe when they wear, now make you they talk to me anyhow on top of this show. When you see governor when they do work, governor when build hospital, governor when build stadium, governor when build road, when all the old governors they use them as example. Now that time I go no say una want follow, una want investigate.
Apart from hospital and the stadium where you mentioned, why we say enter we talk about Akpabio, you always mention that hospital because inside your church mind, you know maybe not somehow that hospital be fair, but then. Some command there for him to do it to take that move, saying go treat himself abroad. He can't leave the hospital he built. You don't ever see person leave in this thing, go under person place, go sleep when you get to your own house.
So now let me verse with
yes, but we carry the matter straight up into Osun State, where we hear say Nigerian Medical Association don't do it. Don't they threaten the governor? Don't they warn and say, oh God, Rauf forever shall respect yourself? Because I want to say, waiting, why would you be holding, why would they owe doctors? People will say their responsibility not to save lives. People will say their responsibility not to ensure, say at least people they healthy. You they owe them salary. Say we'll give you 7 days ultimatum. Make sure say you pay them. If not so, what will happen? You no go like them. This one a real serious call and me, if I see something we no too sweet, we no sweet, but I go talk am. Oga Rauf, I beg. We no say you be governor. I beg, please. We don't need this issue of say they you don't need too much self. Respect the seat where they run. Respect the people where they govern. Make you even do it. Make you find some solution to these things once. So I make this debt money come out from people's head for once. Oga Chile, they call us from Borno. Good morning, Oga Chile.
Good morning, Nkubi and Chukwudi.
Oga Chile, good morning, sir.
Good morning. I want you to come out for the matter where they're on ground.
Yes, we hear you right on.
You see, Akpabio case, everybody, including Nkubi, where they know what is happening.
I don't know.
You will know. You must know. The way and manner, everybody don't talk, say, whether PDP, whether APC, whether any party where you do, we don't talk, say, corruption, no, they good. And we all agree that any money where these politicians hold, where they steal, make them collect the money back for Nigeria. All of us agreed on that. But the way and manner in which this corruption crusade is being carried, it will sink Nigeria. It will sink Nigeria because you don't just, when somebody talk, you just get him arrested and say that and just take him to EFCC. We saw what the role of Akpabio in the Senate last time. And we know that he's going to play a role tomorrow when there will be another screening. Now, if this man, who everybody, let me tell you, the problem with Jonathan was not that Jonathan was not a good man. He was a good man. But if he had done what Akpabio did in Akwa Ibom State in Nigeria, nobody would be talking about his government now. Akpabio did work. He worked in Akwa Ibom, including the opponents know that he worked in Akwa Ibom. What is the essence of now? We are talking about 200 billion or so. They are accusing him of. Is it easy to bring 200? Do you know what 200 billion means? If you take 5 million from the bank or put 5 million, central bank gets the signal immediately. So how come about 200 billion? Somebody mismanaged 200 billion, take it to bank, and nobody knows about it. Now that people knows about it. So please, let us encourage our politicians, both APC, that they should try and, if there is somebody that is corrupt, do proper investigation, get him and get the money. Not no witch hunting. That will not help us. Thank you very much.
Oga Chile, thank you very much. And I believe, say, this talk we don't talk now, Nkubi don't hold am for in mind. And he believe, say, we go use that and move this our country forward, rather than witch hunting people and targeting some people. When we get other people, when we say they get case, but we never hear anything about them. We go from Bonny to Owerri. Collect this call from Oga Prince. Oga Prince, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Prince. Good morning.
We did find Oga Prince.
You know, wetin I dey talk about this fighting of corruption be say the way corruption dey be in Nigeria. Even though now which one thing where we want use take fight them, make we take which one fight them. But the way the best me be say, these our leaders, when they dey in power, the money where they make for us, they take and go pocket them for themselves. You see money where they take control to road, you not control that road, and people that die on that road, not be which one where you do which one those people. When the law not cut off you, it can't be said that they will hunt you. But when you do with one people, no people there that do not tell you say this man, this is the way they do with one people. And then look at you build a world class hospital. But when you get little problem, you go run to another person's hospital. Why? But it's a world class. It means that it's a deceit. Who is deceiving who? Is it Papa is deceiving his pekin, or people is deceiving people? That's the problem I have with PDP. Is a party form under deceive. The form of deceiving people. You build a world class school, but your children they go another person's school. How is that thing that be? Until when that way they say they build, maybe they go there. That's how we go believe that they do something. But if they know they go there, means they don't do anything. They just there to deceive us. Say they do this, they do this, and they build this, and they build that. Make him go to that hospital. That's how we go know say build the hospital.
Oga Prince, thank you very much for that contribution. And if we go hear you clearly, you talk, say, even if they give you money, say, make you do something, and you can't channel it to your own personal winch hunting. If now so, make the winch hunting go around. Make them no restrict them to one particular set of people, one particular set of political party. Make them sincerely, if they won't fight corruption, make them make sure, say, it they very neutral. Make them fight the way they're supposed to fight. So that people don't go to feel, say, if say these people, now they target some certain people, and now they leave some. May we collect Oga Alex, all the way from ABJ. Oga Alex, it's been a while.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Alex.
Well done. You see, I want to comment on the character of opposition in this country. Then I go back to the time when PDP did power. At that time when the campaign they go on, a governor like Rotimi Amechi, a minister designate, the National Publicity Secretary of APC, Lai Mohammed, that they try to say if they not win, they will make this country ungovernable. In fact, they are going to set up a parallel government. Thank God, the tide don't come in their favor now. You see, PDP look at their pattern of opposition now. Buhari promised.
Oga Alex.
Invite former PDP officials now. Look at what the PDP they talk. Say now we shunting. Which one be we shunting? If you are culpable, go and answer to all such invitation extended by EFCC or ICPC. No we shunting there. Because you, when they cry of we shunting today, you go we shut another person. So when they are the talk, they say, our politicians made them learn the culture of constructive politicking. Now, wait here, I want to talk with that.
Thank you.
Any official, when the Buhari administration consider necessary to invite for questioning, make that they invite them. And because that big umbrella of PDP, it covers so many ills, so many corrupt practices. So now the time for them to come and give account, because we want Nigeria to grow.
But then,
that's my contribution.
Oga Alex.
Make una carry go.
Thank you very much, Oga Alex. Very important point that you don't raise so.
But then, Oga Alex, I will still want to raise this thing. I will not say yes. You talk say the PDP get on a lot of ills under their umbrella. But say that make it not just be say if sincerely, in all sincerity, you want really fight corruption. Make we not just be like say with the restricted to a particular political party or to certain individuals, because we don't also hear allegations of are corrupt this way they don't level some against even the ruling party, some members of the ruling party. May they spread them around. Oga Ego all the way from ABJ. Good morning, Oga Ego.
Oga Okubi, I greet you, the controversial.
This is how I greet you today. Hallelujah, Oga Ego. You don't greet you today.
I first greet you.
Hey, wait till we see. Wait till we see.
Oga Shukudi, I greet you. Good
Oga
morning.
Ego, I salute you.
Good morning.
On to the topic straight away. Oga Shukudi and Okubi, what I want to talk be say, our system of government might be corrupt. Let me underline, the people are not corrupt, but the system is corrupt. May I give example? As corrupt, say one person is corrupt in Nigeria. As Nigeria, they not say corrupt for one office. Man say Ministry of Finance, say the person corrupt. Take that person from Nigeria now, carry and go another country like US or UK. Then put into their system, make it work inside their system. You go see say him himself not be corrupt the people because they themselves know they like corruption. So you know by expecting you go come the people they work the system. You can't corrupt their system. No. Why example like the now for Nigeria when they follow due process protocols. You go see say maybe as you dey head now for office. So people won't come see you. When you say, who be that? He said, Mr. A. Say, no, I'm not like I make it no come. When I bet go come. When he say, you come, say, he go give my money. He go give you some money. Go give you some money. He just bypass everybody. He go the head. Go see. Collect contract. He go come out. But for other countries, advanced countries, like that, you cannot do like that. They will say, you follow due process. If now you first come, you reach here. You from here, you go here. From here. So you meet the head. But for Nigeria, now corruption. Now they kill us. Our system, they corrupt. So that everything... Come, like anytime they give you office, you will not get to say, as I the land, not to shop. You say, if I enter this office, not to shop. If I enter this office, not to shop. You will not take bribe. So the system, not the people, the system is corrupt. When I enter, you go say, now like this. Even when you go to office, they say, now like this, they do it for you. Not be like this. If you do it like this, they will come out to you. But if you do it like this, now the system, who could actually, now the system, and the
corrupt.
system, now corrupt. Thank you very much.
Okay, good. Thank you very, very much. The way you handle this matter, you break and down into another different level. The system, rather than the people where they involved, now they corrupt. And what we need to do to address the system, everything still boils down on our hands, both our leaders and us, to also look at the system and so, okay, how we fit correct this system so that corruption no go be a part of us. Make we collect this call from Oga Chike. Good morning, Oga Chike, all the way from Yola.
Hello, how far now, Mr. Nkubi?
Good morning. We greet you. Well done.
Fine. What are we doing now?
We fine.
Mr. Chukudi, how are you?
Oga Chike, I dey greet you, sir.
No be Chike or na TK. TK, she go spell my name differently.
What do you call your name?
Na TK.
Okay. Oh, we dey hear you, Oga TK.
Right on. They hear you, TK.
Now, about this issue, when I talk about this, Mr. Akpabio, and EFCC stuff.
Okay.
Hello?
We dey hear right on.
So the issue be said this EFCC, because they invite you come, no, it doesn't mean you go, just like me go defend your project, go defend what you do.
Okay.
The money where you miss, may you go defend. And this money I carry and do so things. But how come 200 and something billion naira will miss for this country? Hey, my brothers, which kind of country did this? As a governor, say you build world-class hospital, you go get accident, you go travel, go another country, go for treatment. How you go to say you buy food, carry come for your wife, say this one a better food and better food. They will come chop, you come back house, they will say, guy, Papa Nketiabi, Baba Chukudi, see your food, you can't chop. You go say, no, I don't believe it. Why you no go chop your own food for your house? You go say you buy a better one. How this thing will be, and the matter of Nigerian politics and about the system of our politics for this country, what they pay me, they say, all the people from the ministers, the president, the senators,
guy, all of them, now from 50 years above. Youth, they need a call. When they will say the youth, they will get hope for their, now from their campaign, now youth, they get hope. But after their campaign, they don't forget about the youth.
Okay.
Ogatike, thank you very, very much for this point when we say you don't raise. Very, very interesting points to note. And we're very, very grateful. Say, all the way from Yola, you self the watch and you the chook man for inside this issue. A quick one, make I just drawing from saying Yola in the colors from, considering the fact, say for one of our stories, we hear say Boko Haram Jaguda people, they attack somewhere for inside Adamawa. It's very, very important to make our government take them as priority in the sense, say, these people that already they deal with insurgency, say, okay, Boko Haram Jaguda people, they attack us anyhow. We don't know how we go take leave or survive. We don't know whether we will see tomorrow. We make their life easier so that they no go come they think too much or worry no go come the day. Remember, say, people they take advantage of the fact, say, people they helpless to use recruit them inside Boko Haram. Mm-hmm. We don't hear of Boko Haram people when we say, when our army people they tidy them, we go see say their food, then destroy them. How these people they get food? If you when you be free man, you know they see food get. And Boko Haram Jaguda people will tell you say, this government will talk say they care about you, they don't even really care about you. You don't get water, you don't get anything. Make we come, you go chop, you go do all these things. Now you go make some of these people go join them. From Yola, we go enter Calabar, collect this call from Ogoke. Ogoke, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Chokode.
Good morning, Ogoke.
Good morning, Nkove.
Hear you.
How are you?
They're fine.
God be with you now.
And you too.
Make I throw my own small contribution this morning.
Okay.
My brother, in the fight of corruption, if not like this, they won't do the fight. They are doing it wrongly. They won't get to that place they are dreaming of. Because now God will be the last person who I expect may they arrest before now. Now him be the last person. I never even, because Calabar and Akwa Ibom, they are very close. Sometimes I do go there weekend to enjoy myself.
Okay.
The road, so they build, enter another state. If build, so they even enter Calabar, my own Calabar, where I now, as I talk to you. He built stadium, hospital, you know, many things. There is something Chukwu didn't even name that he built, even 5-star hotel in Ikotek, you know. He really tried for the state. So somebody like that, as far as me I'm concerned, somebody like that, he tell me, say, in chop money or in do this, do that. Me, if you are be the head of the person where they probe or whatever, I would say leave that man for now. Because that man, he really work for the people, and the people they always talk about her, not for the way they talk bad against God's will. That man he really work like the other caller said. If that man do, if to say good luck do something where that man do for Nigeria, believe me honestly, nothing will make good luck lose that seat, and nothing will make good luck they go ever call and say do this, do that. No. God will really try for his people and really try for Nigeria also. And again, make a push to our the other state where they hold doctors. They know they try. They know they try because now this, in fact, now doctors and nurses, now them the people who I believe say they know we ever owe for life because they save lives. Now then they save life. After, in fact, the way where they take work whenever I visit hospital, they give me joy. Then when you tell me say they want owe them, they owe them. They always hurt me for body. And again, to Boko Haram issue, make a talk. The thing don't they bite me for body. You don't they give me sleepless night because imagine say now ordinary Boko Haram. I mean set up group now then they terrorize us like this. What of when full country confessors say they want fight war with us? Where we go find ourselves? Now the question: How one take fight? We will know if you flush out Boko Haram. People reason them. It's hard time for us to come out and in fact.
Okay, thank you very, very much for that passionate contribution. Even from your voice, we feel tell say the thing they touch you well. We get Oga Sam all the way from Ikotun. Oga Sam, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Ezigbo Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Sam.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Sam.
May God bless two of you.
Amen.
Thank you.
My prayer for two of you is that election has come and gone. Two of you are representing the commoners of this country. Therefore, our problem is our politicians. Nkubi, stop the issue of APC interest. APC is not our problem now.
Okay.
Our leaders are our problem. Help me pass a message to our leaders. What does it profit a man if he gets this one lose their soul? Our politicians, either in APC or PDP, They are gathering wealth that if they die, they will face condemnation before God. Because wealth that is supposed to go to the mass of this country and people have suffered up to this time, it is absorbed. God will not forgive them. Let's come back to the issue of the day. Akpabio will have done everything he will have done in Akwa Ibom, yet you cannot exempt him from being corrupt because as at 8 years, he can't be a poor man all the rest of his life. That is by design. Then the issue where the coming of the governor in Borno State, definitely that is a war-torn zone area for the past 4-5 years, as the case where. But if they cannot put borehole for them to drink, and he's been there suffering the masses, himself is corrupt. Again, I saw on the headline this morning that APC members are lobbying the caucus to make sure they exonerate Amaechi from facing the nation. Amaechi is corrupt. They have set a plan against him in River State. He refused to attend, and yet they asked him to come as a minister. God help this country. We are heading for problems. I want to predict.
Oga Sam, thank you very much for this double passionate contribution. The way where you take even end the call, don't show say the thing they touch you for mine. But we could continue to the talk because Nigeria belongs to all of us, and those where the matter concern must take the necessary action to move our country forward. Quick one, we go rush, enter break. When we go this break, come back, we enter the final part of As It Dey Hot. Collect more calls and talk the thing until we reach the end of the show. No go anywhere. Now Wazobia TV and now still As It Dey Hot. Welcome back to As It Dey Hot. The Monday edition at Tierroba. Sake of all the action wey happen inside the Obodo Nigeria political arrangement for weekend, we will carry and come drop so that you self go chook mouth for inside the matter and talk am the way when the thing be you for body. Today we knack 5 ogbonge stories come. The first one get to do with the visit of former governor of Akwa Ibom State, Oga Godswill Akpabio, when he carry waka enter inside EFCC office for Abuja on Friday and on Saturday to go answer questions as they concern one petition when Oga Leo Ekpeyong write against them, say about 108.1 billion naira. Say the governor during in time he need to account for them. We also take the story of Boko Haram Jaguda people when carry badness enter inside Adamawa by about 11 people, and the strong work when our army people do to stop one Boko Haram Jaguda bad girl when we enter inside my Malari cantonment for inside Maiduguri. We talk about the official statement of PDP as state concern Oga Godswill Akpabio. Say this thing is selective prosecution. Say the government must spread. Say you get people when we say they're supposed to even they check things, they no check them, and Godswill Akpabio when do plenty work. Now they want to check. We can't talk about Kasim Shettima, governor of Borno State, when enter one community for inside the state. When they come block and talk, say they no get water at all. Say that they deal with Boko Haram badness, and then they suffer water. Say there is God. We can't finish up with the Nigerian Medical Association Osun State chapter. When draw here give the governor of Osun State say that they give them 7 days. Say after 7 days, if they don't pay the workers, that is the doctors, then when they work for inside that state, say they go drop their injection and their tablet and they no go work again. We they take calls. We don't collect calls from Abuja, from Yola, even inside Obodo Lagos here, and everybody they talk am. We go still collect your calls, make you talk the thing the way when the thing be you for body, so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action.
Yes, Chukwudi, it would be necessary for us to also still address this issue of owing workers and all that. We know, say, for some time now, it's a lot of states, some states they do it and they owe their workers. Then they owe workers, and as a result of that, the job said that they deprive workers of their own rights because person don't go work for you finish. May you can't do it, may you can't carry your money, keep somewhere. You understand? And meanwhile, you will be governor because that is where they bother people, where they disturb people. These are medical staff, these are medical workers, these are doctors. Where they say, then they save lives. So what will it cost us to say, okay, that those people they very, very important to our society, they very, very important. They say their job, even there's no job that is least here. No job this small. Every job is important. So we don't deal on the issue of the governor of Osun State, Rauf Aregbesola, and the issue of owing. Make we get end to this thing. You don't too much.
Very, very true. It's very important. Say make we point them out. Say our state governors working with the federal government supposed to do something so that we no get situation when we say people go lose faith in government because they work and they know they collect money. We'll collect this call from Oga Omi. Oga Omi, they call us for Lokoja inside Kogi State. Oga Omi, good morning, sir.
Uncle, good morning.
Good morning.
Chokode, good morning.
Oga Omi, we greet you.
How the weather did that side?
Fine,
fine.
I remember these people now, all this way that they talk now. Uncle, they come back to your side. Imagine. Now they do all this one and now I don't they on power. We don't they watch now. We no cause again. We remember the promise we wanna give us during the campaign.
Okay.
Say between 2 weeks, 1 month, Boko Haram Jaguda people. We no go see them again. If we call now, we know they can't. People can't they die like fowl every day by day. Be like now the people say even that whether now say they don't wake up fast. This is what they do now. I don't blame those people who go block governor. Therefore, break one of the whiskey so that it go serious, more serious. Because I don't go know how person go there for country. People there they suffer. In there they blow convoy. They go. What did they go to that place? Make a come down for that side. Based on the EFCC matters, they fight the corruption. We know saying so it will be. But men look, we know saying so it will be. Now one side they fight, but we pray and they will pray and we will continue pray. May Papa God touch our president for mind. We won't fight the corruption, make it fight and well. So that the thing will go around, make it not be say now only one side at the point. Thank you
very, very much,
Oga. Thank you very much for your contribution. It is very, very glaring from the contribution where everybody don't make say the issue of what happened to Oga Kasim Shettima. And something when we say we suppose address. Not be until people come vex, reach the level when we say they will come talk, say anything when will happen to them may happen before government go there responsible to the people, make them do well. And as Governor Godswill Akpabio don't talk, say in go or former Governor Godswill Akpabio don't talk, say go answer the questions when the FCC talk, say make him go answer, say no get any problem. We go also talk, say if you get case to answer, go answer them. Even if not to just clear your name, maybe we no talk, say you get one bad thing when they associate with your name, make we do like that so that we will move this our country forward.
Yes, we'll take on the go, and because on the ground, say Nigeria on our own, nobody anybody get them, and now collectively we will do it to move the country forward. The people in government, if not known our responsibility, may not do it. People where they serve, if not also known our responsibility, make we do them. So we will move forward.
Very true. We talk say Nigeria and our country, go spoil. Make we move this our country forward by working hard.
Give me my shoe.
If you know if you take the shoe, leave them there. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come. Allow me to end this show now.
Una bye till tomorrow when we'll come back. Una bye from me and Chukudi. Give me my shoe.
I'll take give you your shoe.
I'll drop shoe. Yeah, I will carry on that side.
Yeah, collect them now. Collect them. Make
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.